Hey Perea Panthers, welcome back to the writing workshop. Today we'll be writing another narrative and our letter of the day makes the sound. Ooh, wonder what letter that could be. Disclaimer, before we get started, I always suggest that you watch the video at least one time all the way through before you get your materials and you do it with me, okay? There's no rush. If we were in the classroom together, we would write our story throughout the whole week. So you can break it into chunks however you like. The materials you'll need: pencil and paper to write, and then crayons to draw a picture to go along with your story at the end. Let's get started. We will always get started with a fire write. This will help us just get all of our ideas down on paper. We have 60 seconds, so it's really quick. We're not going to stop the whole 60 seconds. Everything that comes to mind with of a word that starts with our letter of the day, we're going to put it in our list. And then at the end, when we have all our ideas down, we'll pick out what we like, and then the rest of it, we'll leave it for another story. Our letter of the day is the letter F. Yes, I know you already knew that because F makes the sound. And just like the letter in this little gift down here, it is falling all apart. Falling starts with the letter F. You might also be thinking of other words that start with F too, like face and fast and friend. We love that word. I know y'all know what that word is. So all those were for free. I know you were already probably thinking of some of those words that you can put on your list when you get ready to make yours and your fire write. Alrighty, we have 60 seconds on the clock. Remember, we're not worrying about spelling. We're just gonna get down all the words we can think of that start with our letter of the day, the letter F. Here we go. Ready, set, go. Don't give up, keep going. Okay, here we go, last 5 seconds, don't stop. 3, 2, 1, and done. All right, good job. Go ahead, just give yourself a pat on the back for all that grit you just showed because you didn't give up. I know you didn't give up. I didn't give up either. But the letter F was a challenge. Yes. Here is the list I came up with. I came up with 22 words. That's kind of been my max with my list. 22 is about like the best I can do. But the more you do it, you'll get better. So your list will get longer and you'll think of more words the more you get your practice writing your narratives and doing fire writes. So this is my list. Ready? First we have fire, then firefighter, free, fall, frozen, frost, fake, farm, fort, frog, face, feet, fear, flag, faith, favorite, famous, fashion, Fiona, fur, frills, and future. Woo, we did a good job. So I'm going to do my think aloud with my list. Some of these words, when I see them, I really don't think about anything. And I already know some of these words I don't want in my story, and that's okay. So when you make your list, you can do that too. You can kind of like scratch them out if you don't want it in your story. But I'm gonna let you in on my imagination. Okay, ready? Fire. and firefighter. Maybe my character could be a firefighter, but I don't think I want any fires in my story, so I might not use that. Then we have free, fall. You can free fall. That's a thing. Or you can think about fall as in the season fall. I like fall. I like that season. Frozen, that makes me think about the movie Frozen. And then frost, it makes me think about the frost on the ground in the morning when it's really cold. Fake, when I see the word fake, I think about fake eyelashes and fake fingernails. Oh, that's another F word that starts with F. Fingernails, okay. I could have put that on my list. I have farm. I don't think I want a farm in my story today. Fort, that's like kind of like a tent, like TP. I don't think I want a fort in my story though. Frog, I like that. I don't like frogs in real life, but for our story, I would like our character to be a frog. I think I'm going to use that. We have face, oh, little frog face, little frog feet. And then we have fear. I don't want any fear in my story. I don't want him to or her to be afraid. Or I don't want my reader to be afraid either. Flag, when I see the word flag, I don't really think about anything. So if I had a marker, I would scratch that out. And then we have faith. Faith can be a name too. I have a friend named Faith, and it can be a thing that we feel or show when you believe in someone or believe in something. You have faith. Favorite. Maybe we can make my story about my character's favorite something, whatever her favorite is. I'm not sure yet. Let's keep going. We have famous is next. Maybe my character can be famous. What would she be famous for? Maybe she's famous for fashion. Ooh. And maybe her name can be Fiona, like Princess Fiona. That's pretty. I like that. So Fiona the frog, that's our character. Boom. Okay. Then we have fur. When I think about fur, I think about expensive clothes, like expensive scarves, fur scarves, and like fur vests, fur coats. It's real expensive and pretty. And then frills. When I hear the word frills, it makes me think about frilly skirts. So I think our character is going to be a fashionista. She loves fashion, she loves clothes, and she likes to be cute. And last word, future. I'm going to scratch future out. I don't need future. So let's consolidate or put all our ideas together from our brainstorm. So we have a frog. Her name is Fiona, and she loves fashion. I think I'm going to give her a fur scarf. No, maybe not a fur scarf. We'll do a fur vest. And then we'll give her, a frilly skirt. We're going to put some shoes on her feet. She's a frog, so, we got to give her toes some room. Maybe we'll give her some open-toed shoes. So they have a lot of toes. And what else do I want from here? Oh, fake. Oh, I remember I was thinking about fake fingernails. Fiona is going to have on some pretty fake fingernails. We got it. I think we're ready. That was my whole brainstorm. But those were a lot of ideas, weren't they? What can I do to keep my ideas organized? Oh my gosh. We use graphic organizers. We're very familiar with this one. This is the one we've been using. It's going to keep us organized, starting with our topic sentence. Our topic sentence is going to go ahead and let our readers know what the story is all about right at the beginning. Then in the middle, our detail boxes give us the starting words first, next, then, and last. So in our case, we're talking about Fiona's outfit. So we're going to talk about what she puts on first, next, then, last. put the whole outfit together, and then at the end, our closing sentence is going to tie it all together. It's going to be very similar to our topic sentence. Ready? I'm ready. Let's do this. Fiona got to get dressed. Fiona the frog loves fashion. First, Fiona puts on a frilly skirt. Isn't her skirt so cute? Next, Fiona puts on a fur vest. Then Fiona puts on flip-flops. Gotta have space for the toes. Last, Fiona puts on fake fingernails. Ooh. Fiona is fabulous. Oh, yes, she is. Just like our little friend in the corner. Let's put it all together. Ready? Fiona the frog loves fashion. First, Fiona puts on a frilly skirt. Next, Fiona puts on a fur vest. Then, Fiona puts on flip-flops. Last, Fiona puts on fake fingernails. Fiona is fabulous. We did it again, y'all. We wrote another narrative. Yay! See Kermit celebrating for us? He's so excited. Kermit feels like me. I'm so proud of you. Thank you for all your help. I knew we could do it. We are just getting so good at writing these narratives. It's just going by so quickly. I have a fun challenge for you all this week, though. Are you ready? This week, along with your own personal story with all the words you can think of that start with the letter F, I want to see who can draw the best picture of Fiona. Yes. Who can draw a picture of Fiona, including all the details of her outfit? Now, just a little hint, you might want to, like I said earlier, you might want to watch the video more than once so you can have all those details down of her outfit. You can't leave anything out, okay? You got to get all the pieces of her outfit so she can be fabulous. Don't have her out here just looking crazy, okay? I can't wait to see what you all come up with. Again, we're so proud of you for continuing to learn while you're at home. And I want to see those pictures of Fiona too, with all the details of her outfit. Take care, you guys. Bye-bye.